Welcome back. Today we're exploring one of the core concepts of object-oriented programming within TypeScript, classes and their access modifiers. Understanding these will help you structure your applications more effectively and control the accessibility of class members. Classes in TypeScript provide a blueprint for creating objects. They encapsulate data for the object and methods to operate on that data, much like classes in other object-oriented languages. Here, we define a greeter class with a property greeting, a constructor to initialize that property, and a greet method to use it. We then create an instance of greeter and call its greet method. Access modifiers are keywords that set the accessibility of properties and methods in a class. TypeScript provides three access modifiers: public, private, and protected. By default, all members of a class are public in TypeScript. You don't need to explicitly use the public keyword. Private members can be accessed only within the same class. This is useful for hiding certain details of the class implementation. Protected members can be accessed within the class and by instances of derived classes. They are more accessible than private members, but still controlled. Let's see how private and protected members work. In this example, cat extends animal. While it can access the protected age property, it cannot access the private name property, illustrating the control over member visibility. Classes and access modifiers are fundamental in TypeScript for building robust and maintainable object-oriented applications. They help you manage and protect your data effectively. Experiment with these concepts in your own projects to see how they can enhance the structure and security of your applications. Join me next time as we delve deeper into advanced TypeScript features. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. See you in the next video.